it's Crystal Pearl, and I just came back from apple picking. It's my first time, never done this in my life. Here's a little recap, a little vlog of how it all went down. We're here at the Taves apple farm, about to pick some apples.
We made it.
We made it, finally.
Go get some apple.
Beautiful.
Yay!
Don't fart on me.
We need one more. We only have 4.
Oh, we do! Three! There's more! There's more! There's more!
Oh my God. So many. Wait.
And you get an apple! And you get an apple! Oh my God!
Oh, this one's nice.
Tippy toes.
Good. Okay,
Oh my God, these ones are gorgeous. Oh my God.
They're gorgeous!
Hold on.
going too high.
Cheers! And that concludes apple picking. Yay! LB, how do you know which one to pick?
This one.
Because it sounds solid?
Nice and hello. Hello.
Random childhood apple story. I used to eat apples every single day as a kid. My dad would peel the apple and cut it into little bite-sized squares and put this little cocktail fork in my Tupperware. And I would eat it every single day during recess. And I think this lasted all the way up to grade 12. So I grew up eating apples every single day, and I love apples. I still eat them pretty much almost every day.